Hey everyone, this is Rima's Culinary Adventures and we are making Paneer Butter Masala. The ingredients are diced paneer, butter, oil, whole spices, varieties and quantities in the description box below, sugar, onions, salt, roughly chopped ginger and garlic, cashews, diced tomatoes, turmeric, garam masala, chili or paprika powder, some cream, frozen peas, and methi or fenugreek leaves. Exact quantities and the written recipe in the description box below. Place a pan on medium heat and add in your butter. Stir constantly to brown and then add in the oil to stop it from burning. Once it's hot, add in your sugar and stir to melt. Add in your whole spices and fry on low flame, stirring frequently until the sugar is caramelized and the spices are golden. Add in the diced red onions and the salt and fry until it starts to soften. Add in the chopped ginger and garlic and fry on low heat until everything is caramelized and wonderfully softened. Now add in the cashew and fry until golden. We want to be sure that nothing burns, but at the same time we want to fry until everything is wonderfully brown and the oil starts to separate. After that we add in our turmeric and garam masala, stir for a minute and then add in our diced tomatoes. Now cook all of the ingredients on medium heat with the lid on, stirring every once in a while until the mixture dries out completely and the oil starts to separate. Taking your time to do this is very important to develop the flavors that you will ultimately taste in your curry. Essentially, we are caramelizing the natural sugars in the ingredients and letting the flavors deepen and intensify. Add in your chili or paprika powder and stir well to combine. Discard the bay leaves and stir for a minute off the heat to cool slightly. Place everything in a blender along with a cup of water and blend until it's a smooth paste. I prefer room temperature water because I don't want things to be too hot in case anything splatters. I really don't mind an occasional piece of cashew or a spice, but you could always pass this through a sieve for the smoothest gravy. I pour it back onto a pan on medium heat and add a splash of water to thin it out. I bring it to a gentle simmer and then add in my paneer. Stir them in very gently, making sure nothing breaks, and then add in your peas. Peas aren't an essential ingredient in this recipe, but they enhance the look of this dish. Simmer gently with the lid on until the paneer and the peas are cooked through. Give it a quick stir and add in your cream and stir to combine. I find 2 to 3 tablespoons of cream is plenty, but you could always adjust to taste and preference. Stir in some crushed fenugreek leaves and then check your seasonings. Add a pinch or 2 of salt if required and then you're done. Please like, subscribe and comment if you like this recipe. Thanks for watching and have a happy day.